In this video I'm going to show you the Jacuzzi JMC16. This is a first stage filtration, also known as a multicyclone system. And included in the box is the installation and operation manual, along with the warranty information. In the box you'll also find the Sediment Purge valve. This one here has this really nice metal handle. And for easy installation, there are two 2-inch unions included for the inlet and outlet of the first stage filtration unit. And if you have 1.5-inch plumbing, you'll also have to purchase some reducers for these 2-inch unions. And also included are some PVC parts for the purge valve if you're going to plumb in a waste line. So everything needed to install the JMC16 is included in the box. So there are several great reasons why you would want a first stage filtration system installed at your pool. I think one of the primary and best reasons is that this will trap 80% of the dirt before it goes into your pool filter. This means that if you have a cartridge filter, you're going to be cleaning your cartridge filter maybe once per year, since all the dirt is trapped inside here. If you have a sand filter, you'll be able to reduce your backwashing to 1 time per year. And this will save about 2,000 gallons of water, since you're not backwashing your sand filter every month or every 2 weeks. And one thing to note, having this installed will not affect any of the water flow going back into the pool. And you can see in this photo, this is a first stage filtration system that hasn't been purged in 4 years. You can see all the dirt that it picked up and trapped here. This was installed at a test pool to show how effective the first stage filtration system is. Use the reward program and have this professionally installed by Leslie's. You get a free 3-year extended warranty through Leslie's equipment protection plan. So how the unit works is that the incoming water will enter 16 hydrocyclones. These will generate a strong centrifugal effect. So the sediment is actually spun out of the water, and then the clean water passes through. And you'll be able to see the dirt and sediment that it picks up through this clear polysediment chamber. Another great benefit of having one of these installed is that your filtration system is going to stay a lot cleaner all season long. This means that the water quality is going to be great all season long, which means you're going to use less chemicals and you're going to have less problems with algae. And when you finish vacuuming your pool, or if you notice that the chamber is full of dirt, simply open up the purge valve to let all the dirt out. And you can see that the purge valve is only open for a few seconds, unlike backwashing your pool where you lose a lot of water to get a little bit of dirt out. And one thing to note, if you have a DE filter installed, you have to install a bypass like this here with the JMC16. You can see how well it picks up all of the dirt and sediment. And so without the bypass, you can't add DE directly into the skimmer to recharge your filter. You can't add any other kind of powder chemical also with the JM16 installed without the bypass. So that's a look at the JMC16 first stage filtration. I highly recommend this product, especially if you live in an area where you get a lot of dirt in your pool. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.